नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JBN डॉक्टर रितु शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गायनियोप्स, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today's session is endocrinology of reproduction, part first. The endocrine glands play a very important role in the physiology of reproduction. Hormones essential for the maturation of Graafian follicles, ovulation and maintenance of corpus luteum after fertilization. Following conception, transfer of functions of pituitary ovarian axis to placenta, which acts temporarily as a new powerhouse or endocrine organ. Physiological alteration of various endocrine glands, namely the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, and pancreas during pregnancy. Hormone influence during puerperium necessary for maintenance of lactation. Maturation of Graafian follicle and ovulation. Follicle maturation takes place during the first half of the cycle. The hormones essential for follicular maturation are mainly FSH and a small proportion of LH. For continuous FSH activity, estrogen is necessary. Ovulation under the influence of FSH, about 20 Graafian follicles develop synchronously and only one of them will be able to ovulate. The rest become atretic and mix up with interstitial tissue. Changes without the follicle after ovulation. The avascular Graafian follicle become vascularized and the granulosa cell become lutealized. The morphological altered Graafian follicle is now changed into corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes progesterone, 17-alpha dehydroxy progesterone, and luteinizing granulosa cell, and estradiol, adenosteroidinone, theca cells. Maintenance of corpus luteum after fertilization. Function of corpus luteum is essential to maintain the early pregnancy. Corpus luteum secrete about 40 mg of progesterone a day. After implantation, human chorionic gonadotrophic HCG and possibly human placental lactation, that is HPL, secreted by the syncytotrophoblast cells, maintain the growth and function of the corpus luteum. Protein hormones. Protein hormones are similar but not necessarily identical with those produced by the pituitary. For example, placental lactogen is chemically similar to both pituitary growth hormone and prolactin, but biological activity of placental lactogen is much inferior than prolactin or growth hormone produced by pituitary. Human chorionic gonadotrophin HCG. HCG is a glycoprotein. Its molecular weight 36,000 to 40,000 daltons. It consists of a hormone non-specific and a hormone-specific B subunit. HCG is chemically and functionally similar to pituitary luteinizing hormone. The A subunit is biochemically similar to LH, FSH, and TSH, whereas the B subunit is relatively unique to HCG. Placental G and RH may have a control on HCG formation. Functions. It acts as a stimulus for the secretion of progesterone, by the corpus luteum of pregnancy. Recused and maintenance of corpus luteum till 6 weeks of pregnancy is a major biological function of HCG. HCG stimulates leading cell of the male fetus to produce testosterone in conjugate conjunction with fetal pituitary gonadotropins. It is thus directly involved in the development of male external genitalia. And 3 is it has got immunosuppressive activity which may inhibit the maternal process of immunorejection of the fetus as a homograft. Fourth function of HCG stimulate both adrenal and placental steroidogenesis. Fifth is stimulate maternal thyroid because of its thyrotropic activity. Sixth is promotes secretion of relaxin hormone from the corpus luteum. Level of HCG at different period of pregnancy. HCG is produced by the syncytotrophoblast of the placenta and secreted into the blood of both mother and fetus. The plasma half-life of HCG is about 36 hours. By radioimmunoassay, it can be detected in the maternal serum or urine as early as 8 to 9 days after fertilization. In the early pregnancy, the doubling time of HCG concentration in plasma is 1.4 to 2 days. The blood and urine value reach maximum level rising from 100 international unit per ml to 200 international unit per ml between 60 and 70 days of pregnancy. The concentration falls slowly, reaching a low level of 10 to 20 international unit per ml between 100 to 130 days. Thereafter, the level remains constant throughout pregnancy with a slight secondary peak at 32 weeks. High level of HCG could be detected in first multiple pregnancy, second hydatidiform mole and or choriocarcinoma, and C is relatively high in pregnancy with a trisomy 21, that is Down syndromes. And plasma lower level are found in ectopic pregnancies, and in spontaneous abortion, HCG disappears from the circulation within 2 weeks following delivery. Human placental lactogen. This is also known as human chorionic somatotropin (SCS). The hormone is synthesized by the syncytotrophoblast of the placenta. The hormone is chemically and immunologically similar to the pituitary growth hormone and prolactin. HPL in maternal serum is first detected during the 3rd week of gestation. The level rises progressively from 5 microgram per ml to 25 microgram per ml unit until about 36 weeks of gestation. The plasma concentration of HPL is proportional to placental mass. Functions. The functions of HPL antagonized insulin action. High level of maternal insulin help protein synthesis. HPL causes maternal lipolysis and promote transfer of glucose and amino acid to the fetus. As a potent angiogenic hormone, it helps to develop fetal vasculature. It promotes growth and differentiation of breast for lactation. Pregnancy specific beta 1 glycoprotein is produced by the trophoblast cells. It can be detected in the maternal serum 18 to 20 days after ovulation. PS beta 1Ig 1G is a potent immunosuppressor of lymphocyte proliferation and prevent rejection of the conceptus. This version is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.